Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about the trade what I have done today on intraday basis. So I'll be telling you what stock I have traded today, where I took the entry, where I took the exit, how I selected the stock and the strategy what I used and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I upload a lot of educational videos, stock analysis video, and also daily live trade analysis video. So I have uploaded all these videos from last 5 to 7 years plus. So you can go inside my channel and watch all of these things and do subscribe to my channel. So by being said that, now let's talk about the trade what I have done for today. So today I have traded on infy, that is Infosys. So I bought this stock around 1883 in the morning itself, around 9:20 to 9:30 time. So once I bought the stock, you can see how the stock has performed for the day. So as of now, the time is 2 o'clock and the highest point what it has touched for the day is around 1902. But by following my study, the discipline, I kept my target and I've taken my exit before that. Okay, so as you guys can see, the stock has performed well on the bullish side and I have also booked my profit for the day. Okay, so now coming to the entry point what I made and everything, this is all based on my strategy. Okay, and my strategy consists of no indicators. It's very simple and unique strategy, and I have selected this stock from the IT sector. So in Nifty IT sector we get the infy stock. So in the morning IT looked in a bullish way. It was a bit of a gap up opening and lot of other IT stocks were also there, but to select infy there are many conditions which is matching in the strategy which I teach you in my course. So according to that I got this trade and it was achieved the target. So if you guys want to learn how to make consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to learn how to select the stock and want to trade without any indicators in very simple way and in an easy way, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch last 5 to 7 years of live trade data what I've uploaded to gain confidence, and get in touch with me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally. And these are some of the feedback what we have received from our clients. Okay, so by being said that, now let's see Nifty 50 how it has been performing for the day. So Nifty 50 today's opening was bit like a flat. It was just 0.06% up, but by 14 points only. But later you can see how Nifty 50 has performed for the day. Okay, so once the market opened, it was bit of a range bound of a thing, and later after 11 o'clock, it gave a breakout on the range, and the stock as I mean the market has started going up, and now it is retracing little bit, and anyway the market is now back to 25,000 levels. Okay, so this is how the market is performing and this is how the trade is performing. Already we have taken the exit by booking the profit, and the entry point somewhere around 1883 today. So this was the entry point according to my strategy, and you can see how good the stock is reacted after the entry has been made. And yes, not every day we get good kind of momentum like this, but if we are able to get the momentum towards our target of 0.5% or 1%, that is more than enough. So you need to have a strategy to predict until you get your target. It's not about predicting for the whole day. Okay, so I just focus on how much target I need to keep and if the stock is able to achieve that much of point, so it's like 8 points, 10 points target is enough for me. So I don't overtrade, I keep realistic target. So that's the reason why we are able to make good trades in intraday. So if you want to learn from me about all these things in details about stock selection and how to make right entries like this to make consistent profit, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.